Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Age Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. This will be the first time I've done this, so I'm going to do the same video back to back, different projectors. Now, the first projector I use is my short throw ViewSonic projector at 3200 lumens. We're about 6 feet from the screen on the short throw. My screen is 178 inches to 35.1. As I explained before, when you do ambient light demonstrations, as the screen is 4x4, 5x5, it's a small screen, and the image is fitting that screen perfectly. Two things: either the projector is sitting too close, or the screen has been sized, the image has been sized to fit that little screen, and as you push those pixelations tighter together, it causes the image to become sharper and much more crisp. But also too, it doesn't make a difference if you have an open door, open window, with the projector sitting that close or the image being that tightly knitted together, the picture quality is still going to be acceptable. Now, keep in mind, my projector is sitting back. Let's turn our lights on first so we can see where the projector's at. With our lights first, I'm going to show you. This time we're going to do it with the long throw. As I said before, we are 14 feet away from the screen, about 14 feet, yeah, away from the screen. We're going to use the ViewSonic 1080p long throw. The last one was a 720p short throw at 14 feet away from the screen. Keep in mind, the farther the image has to travel, it has to hit the screen, show a beautiful image, and come back. So we'll take our lights out first. I want to show you how much physical light is going to hit the screen. We're going to do the exact same video. We're doing it in 720p. Now I'm going to open up my blinds here all the way up, and you can see objects on the other end. You can see that there's physical light hitting the screen. All right, so you can see it's physical light hitting the screen. And just to add insult to injury, we're going to fully open up our door. We're going to allow a lot of light to actually kick into the room. So you can see, even with a short throw, even with a long throw, it doesn't make a difference. The screen is still going to be able to produce an amazing picture. Keep in mind, we are using Smart Technology Gain ×9. This is our new ECLIPSE. Get the camera focus there. ECLIPSE Ultra 4K Supreme Cinema. Now, like I said, same demonstration, but this time we're going to be doing this on the long throw projector. All right, let's go over here and let's open up the door so we can show off how much light we're going to have in our environment. See, the door is open. We have plenty of light right there. Got a menu right there for pizza, wherever that is. We're going to open up the door so we let plenty of light cascade in. So we have light here, and let's extend the door. Hope it opens all the way up. All right, there we go. So our door is fully open. Plenty of light coming in. You can see how much physical light is actually hitting the screen. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to actually remove what's blocking my projector, which is another menu. And we'll start the demonstration from there. Oops, I don't think I hit the button right. There we go. Let's tap that. Alright, I want to make sure my sound isn't all the way up, because sometimes with this my sound will go all the way up and it'll just be blasting. So here we are, same demonstration, 14 feet back, fully lit environment, and you can see the screen just takes in all the light and just smiles right back at you and says, what else you got? And the beautiful thing about this technology is our projectors have never been calibrated. There's no form of 4K upscaling, and the projectors are still set in the factory default setting. And this is 14 feet back, same demonstration. Now, the reason why this video is being done, because I have some naysayers that will come into my channel and go, well, guess what, you used it on a short throw, it was just too close to the screen, and voila. Well, we got it at 14 feet back. Now, we're doing this in 16:9, the other one was done in 235.1. Now we'll go back here a minute right there. We're going to come over and we're going to hit our condensed lights. So now we got condensed lighting hitting the screen. "14 feet back, 1080p projector. This projector is 3300 lumens. And it shows you how advanced the technology is. And this is with condensed lighting on and the door open. Plenty of light in the environment. Because I do not want to be subjected to a dark environment just because of my screen. Alright, let's grab the other video. Let's do that one right now. This doesn't have any sound. That's just to show you exactly look how much light we have in the environment. Look how fantastic this screen looks. I am going to take a trip over here to another section of the house. I'm going to come over here and just show you how much light we have in this environment. That's my squeaky floor. Look at that. I'll come all the way back here in the dining room. There we go, in the dining room. Doesn't make a difference, right over by the window. Screen looks incredible. This is what I'm talking about, proving that your technology actually does function. Alright, so we'll shut our door because my neighbors are probably thinking, what the freak is he doing? I know I say that a lot, but it's true. I had a neighbor come to me like, what do you do, man? What do you do for a living? And I explained, I design projection screens. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we'll come over, we'll grab one more, just to make this video different from the rest of them. Window sill open, 14 feet from the screen. Now this is what my environment looks like. Short throw, long throw, this is what I'm getting from my environment. I don't have to be in the dark, I don't have to have my living room looking like a cave. You know, this is what I have. Alright, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal H Technology Screens using smart technology gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. And this video is solely done sometimes for the naysayers who basically come in and constantly ridicule me on my technology by saying, you know, they'll probably say, well, you had a short throw. It's sitting right up on top of the screen. Alright, here's a long throw at 14 feet. Let's go back and let's show you what it looks like and without the window light. So we'll take out the window light altogether. Right there. I'll take out my condensed lighting. "14 feet back." Alright, again, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you all for watching. I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal H Technology Screens using smart technology gain. The new Eclipse Ultra 4K Supreme Cinema is available now with free worldwide shipping. Thank you all for your time.